Grade 7, boys, make 2 lines. Grade 7, boys, make 2 lines. Where there are more students, make another line. Virat, come here. Come here. Make separate line here. Come. So that number will be equal. Class 10 girls are only 2. Where are others? Hands up. Hands side. Hands down. Stand it. Attention. So make equal number of students in each line. Where there are more students, let them go in another line. Then it looks nice. Some boys of class 8, what are you doing on there? Go a little bit back. Hand side. Hand side first. Take a position. Hands up. Clap. Hands side, hands down. Steady. Attention. Right turn. Cover up. Hands side. Now find your position. If the earrings you got to concentrate, go with that side. Don't touch your friends. Sideways. Back, front. Graded girls, what are you doing? Hand side. Rockside Anna, just take the line. Hands up. Together. Hands side. Hands down. Stand it. Attention. Stand it. Attention. Now everybody be ready for national anthem. You can. Region Sai, what's your mind right now? I didn't notice you singing national anthem. Join in grade 8 boy line. Go. Attention. Cover up. Hands side. Hands up. Graded girls, be active. Hands side. Hands down. Stand. Attention. Everybody be ready for a school song. Sing together with full spirit.
Bum, 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 bum.
Studies. Attention. Cover up. And side. Hands up. And side. Hands down. Studies. So, whose duty is to give this speech today? Please welcome on the stage. Only from
A very well good morning to respected Vice Principal Sir, admirable teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friends. It's me Krizal Kharka from grade 9. Today I am here standing in front of you all to deliver a short speech on the topic of women education. The world consists of women and men. So the education must be equally provided to both of the genders. In the context of Nepal, in past, we find many people not letting women to be educated because of poverty or because of some bad traditions. Many of the people still think that educating women is just a time waste, but it is not like that. If a country has to be developed, then the girls must be educated nicely. If the girls are not led to educate nicely, then the country will never be developed. Not only in the context of country, we also know that where there is respect of women, the God becomes happy. So not only for making the development, for the equality, and nowadays we see many people saying equality, but there will be equality when all the girls will get chance equally as boys. But in the context of Nepal, nowadays it has improved a lot. There are many co-educational institutions where girls and boys are equally treated, like our school is a co-educational. And many places, there are many colleges only for girls also, which are letting them to increase their talent inside them. It is helping them to develop their skills. If girls are provided a good chance, then they will obviously lead a world to a very great destination. So for a proper human civilization, it is mandatory for everyone to respect women. If women are respected, then there is only prosperity. For education also remove the darkness from the world. So if women are educated, then the whole nation, whole world will be peaceful and developed. Thank you and have a great day.
Thank you very much, Ms. Krizal. Definitely, we behave equally as our school is co-educational one. And when you talk about grade 9, girls are doing much better than boys. First position holder is girl, second position holder girl, third also girl, fourth also is girl. See?
So fourth
Now there is competition. Now who is going to be first in final exam? So today we have got two programs. One starts by 12:30. So your tiffin time is 12 to 12:20 only. 20 minutes tiffin break. Then they will gather in this arena and there will be sports and ECA, medal and certificate distribution. Not only that, we are going to provide the prizes of rank holders of academic session 2080 from grade 3 to grade 9. A decoration must be completed before 12 and everybody must possess full-fledged discipline, and whenever your name comes, immediately you have to come to the stage and receive your certificates and medals. We must complete the program by 3 p.m. And if the program is completed before 3, then there will be teaching learning activities of 4th period. Remember, don't get confused, because some minutes of 4th period will be taught, then you will go for tiffin. If there is any time left after the program, then 4th period subject will be continued. And today, grade 9 students, they are going to bid farewell to grade 10. So So grade 10, some of the girls are coming now with their fancy dresses. And some of the girls of grade 9 are here. Not some, all girls are here with fancy dresses. They might have got dance. So it's a time of enjoyment. And next important thing, yesterday we had honored the smart students of March 2081. But one student from grade 9 said, "Sir, I am not capable to hold that prestigious thing." So she returned back. Now we are going to honor next smart student. She is none other than Nishtara Sai. Give her a big round of applause. So, first of all, you must be up to date and serious what I am talking about. So, congratulations. What about the claps? Attention. Anything what happened to you? Cover up. Hands side. Hands up. Clap. Together. Inside. Hands down. Stunned. Attention. Stunned. So, as usual, there will be rehearsal. During the time of rehearsal, please maintain the environment of hall. It was already informed you to wash the socks regularly so that the next group will not feel any pain in their nose by smelling those very foul smell. Some of the groups, they were saying still the steps are not up to date. So dance teacher will come regularly from next week and you make it up to date. Because you have got very less time left. Only one more week for Grand Parents' Day, Annual Day, School Day, whatever you say. Attention, cover up, and side, and up, side, down. Study. Attention, march time. Get 4 students to move from that side.